Ano? May update na ba?
Wala. Hindi ko siya makontak. Parati na lang voice mo yung sumasagot. Hala, ate. Sabi na ng sunuri yung tattoo shop niyo. Ate! Ate! Stop! Itigil mo! Ate!
You trying to kill me?
Eric?
I'm supposed to see it.
Eric, ka lang!
I'm fine.
Dude! Akala mo na nasulit ka na.
Ayos ka lang? Di ko gets. Bakit buhay ka pa?
Right, yeah. Or, maybe Death not actually coming for our family. Because that would be fucking crazy. Jeez! Yes! Or maybe I'm invincible.
We should have believed you, Steph.
I screwed up the order. Ngayon patay na si Julia. It's my fault.
Guys, look. What happened was traumatic and awful. But it's not anybody's fault.
It's my fault.
Mom, it's not your fault.
It is my fault. Stephanie, nagkamali ka lang sa order kasi meron ako sekreto na hindi niyo pa nalalaman. Hindi anak ni Howard, si Eric.
I'm sorry, what are you talking about?
Stephanie, hindi ako naniwala sa'yo. Kaya hindi ko sinabi agad. Ngayon patay na si Julia. Pasensya ka na, Eric. Nagkaroon lang kami ng alitan ng papa mo doon. Pero Howard loves you so much. Eric, please.
Who's my real dad?
Jared Vanbury.
Oh, Jared Fenbury?
Yes. Eric, let me explain.
Jared fucking Fenbury?
Eric.
God, where's this guy that always wanted to play catch?
Eric.
So, if it's going in the right order, then ako na yung susunod. Diba? Kailangan mo kong tulungan, Steph.
Bobby, I don't think I can. Parang hindi
Ate,
ko
kaya mo. Okay? You predicted it, diba?
What do you mean predicted?
She predicted it. Like, nakita niya kung paano nangyari. Diba, ate, nakita mo yung tree trimmer, tapos yung blower, tapos yung soccer ball.
Charlie.
Para siyang puzzle na kailangan mo pagdugtog-tugtungin.
Is that true?
Darlene, please, do not encourage this.
Please, huwag mong takutin yung mga bata.
Marty,
I mean, in Iris' book, it's like an equation. It's like a math.
Stephanie, if you can see how all of this fits together, we might have a chance.
Stop! Alam mo, sinira mo yung pamilyang to simula nang umalis ka. Okay kami nung wala ka. Kaya I'm begging you not to traumatize our kids anymore.
It's real this time.
I'm going for a walk.
I appreciate that our family needs some counseling in the future, but can we focus na tayong lahat ay mamamatay? I mean, di ba, Steph, Iris said in the book that, someone who cheated that or something?
Yeah. Wait. Andito yan. Wait lang. It says here, JP found someone who survived.
Wait a minute, I know that name. My mom used to write me letters, and she sometimes would talk about a friend of hers named JB who worked at a hospital. Something River Hospital, Deep River, Peace River Hospital, Clear.
Hope River?
That's it.
Okay, sige. Pupuntahan ko siya.
Wait lang, Steph. Ikaw lang mag-isa?
Well, I'm coming with you.
Teka lang. Sasama din ako. Teka lang. What?
Bobby, di ka pwedeng sumama sa amin. Dapat manatili ka lang
Yeah,
dito.
fuck that. No, I'm not staying here just by myself. I read Granny's book. There thousands house-related deaths na pwede ka mamatay dito sa bahay. Mulog ka sa stairs. Pwedeng mabagsak yung ulo mo sa inidoro. No way! I'm not staying here. Steph, please.
Okay. Huwag ka mag-alala. Nandito lang ako sa likod mo.
Hey, see, buddy? We got you.
The front desk is this way.
Hi! We're looking for JB?
That would be me. William John Bloodworth. But my friends call me JB. Matagal ko na ko yung hinihintay. Stephanie, Charlie, Darlene, but no Julia and Howard. So, which one of you is next?
Me?
I'm sorry about Iris. She was a friend of mine.
Wait. How did you know her?
She saved my life
When?
at the Skyview. Dinala ako ng mama ko noon sa work niya. I wasn't supposed to be there. Except, of course, to die.
You were the last to die. Ikaw yung batang lalaki.
Tama.
So all this time, hindi lang kami yung pinaprotektahan niya. Pati rin ikaw.
Years later, she tracked me down. Hinanap niya ako at pinakita sa akin kung ano ang katotohanan. Tinulungan niya ako at tinulungan ko din siya.
Iris said you found somebody who stopped death and survived.
Yes.
And, paano namin yung gagawin?
There are only two ways. By killing or by dying. If you take a life, you get the time that person had left.
What? No. I'm not gonna kill someone.
Wait lang, Bobby. Patapusin mo muna si JB.
To only break the cycle, kailangan mong mamatay.
Huh? What does it mean?
A long time ago, a girl named Addie ay nakaligtas. Kagaya nyo, she cheated Death's List kasabay ng boyfriend niya na si Zed. Pero si Zed, hindi nakaligtas. Ngayon, si Addie ay nandoon sa mental hospital.
No. There must be another way. Kailangan mo kaming tulungan.
Wait, saan ka pupunta?
Pagod na rin ako. May sakit na rin ako. Kagaya ng lola mo na si Iris. In fact, mamamatay na naman kayong lahat. Pagkatapos yung mamatay, ako na yung susunod.
So what? You're just gonna leave us out
I
there?
intend to enjoy the time I have left. Ngayon ay wala na si Iris. Magre-retire na rin ako.
Please, kailangan mo kaming tulungan.
Don't leave us.
Life is precious. Enjoy every single second. You never know when. Good luck.
That's fantastic.
Paano na kuya? Paano na tayo magagawa?
Stephanie, listen to me.
Paano na to?
Look, Iris found a way to hold death
Gagawin
off for
yun.
decades.
Teka lang kuya.
So will we.
Ate, wala na sila Eric at Bobby.
Shit.
Sana sila?